Which fruit is known for keeping the doctor away if eaten every day?
Which animal is known for its black and white stripes?
How many continents are there on Earth?